Hi everyone, my name is Saahil and welcome back to my channel. And today I want to show all the beginners, men and women, how to do a basic makeup look using products that are all less than 700 bucks. Barring one or two which are a little higher. So if you're new to makeup, this is your one-stop guide starting from how to prep your skin to how to end and remove the makeup. Let's get started. First up, you want to make sure 100% sure that you apply a broad spectrum sunscreen. It is so important that your skin is well moisturized and even more protected from the damage caused by UVA and UVB, of which UVA is present even indoors and post sunset. So a well moisturized skin will always ensure that your makeup applies super smoothly. Next up, you want to choose a primer best suited for your skin. I'm using Faces Canada's Ultime Pro Perfecting Primer. Make sure you apply the right amount of product and especially on the areas that need special attention and blend it with your fingers. A primer's main purpose is to smoothen out the skin and also act as a barrier between our skin and the makeup to follow. I love this primer because it fills my pores, blurs out any blemishes and preps my skin to be a canvas for the oncoming makeup. I feel it's best to invest in a decent primer like this one because it's going to really determine how the rest of your makeup looks on you. Then it's time for a good foundation. By the way, in case you want to choose a cheaper option for a primer than the one I showed, this Lakme 9 to 5 primer plus matte perfect cover foundation is so good. So you want to take the foundation on your hand and dab a brush on it. Tap on your face and blend. Make sure you're not stroking like a paintbrush. You want to go in rounded motions for a brush like mine. And in case your brush top is flat, dab and blend. No stroking, come what may. And I love this foundation, especially at the price point it stands at. For just under 500 rupees, you can get yourself a go-to foundation. The formulation is so good, like just a little goes a long way. Plus the variety of shades Lakme has is added bonus. By the way men, just make sure you're not applying it over your beard. Watch out for that. Next is my ever favorite Maybelline New York's Fit Me Concealer in 30 Honey. This concealer is my evergreen go-to product for a quick touch-up. You just want to apply it to the areas that haven't been already concealed by the foundation. My under eyes and some spots near the nose and the chin are a tad problematic, so I concentrate more there. I actually use these mini beauty blenders from PAC. Dab and blend, never stroke your product. And again, this product is super pigmented, so you get the most of your buck. Also, I'm going to use an even smaller blender from the same set to further concentrate on my inner eyes and really target and reach the tiniest corners and cover them up well and proper. See the magic? This concealer is magnificent. Plus, it's so compact that you can carry it whenever, wherever and have a hassle-free application. Next up is the latest entry in my vanity pack, the Peach Color Corrector from K-Beauty. And I use it only when I have some special spots that are irritated or maybe when I might be getting acne. Ugh, how we hate them, right? I mean, how do they even pop out of nowhere? Now, CCs have a lot of jobs they can tag, but for every issue there's a different color. And I don't always use a CC. Just sparingly and when I absolutely need to. Up next, it's time to focus on my eyes. And I start with an eyelash curler. Now of course this is not compulsory, but trust me, if you do just a little bit of work on your eyes, it can really make a difference. Using this super handy curler from Vega, I just quickly curl my eyelashes to make them a little more defined. Yes, I'm still getting a hang of it. But you see the difference, right? Let's go a step ahead and apply an eye pencil. And I love this 2-in-1 eye pencil from BOLLYGLOW in emerald green and midnight black. Again, why not? I love highlighting my eyes. It's my best feature. I mean, according to me. So why not? And come on, I'm not going to explain why men can also wear eye makeup. Do it already, right? And finally, to finish my eye makeup, I'm going to wrap it up with Maybelline New York's Alice plus Olivia's limited edition Hyper Curl Mascara. Just dip and brush gently. Now for all newbies, mascara could take 1 or 2 attempts to get it right. Maybe more. It's okay. But once you do, I give my word there is no going back. Promise. Next up, the Lakme Lip Love Chapstick. Okay, that's a tongue twister there. A quick application and prepping them for the penultimate step, the lipstick. This one is Masaba by Nykaa in the shade Roar. And it's not Joey's Ichiban lipstick. And that's why I love this one in particular. Its color is as good as the natural lip color I anyway have. And it's so pigmented, right? Just one good application, fold a tissue paper, dab your lips to remove excess color, and voila! See? It barely even shows. And finally, a good setting powder. I use this one from Artistry. So you want to take the powder on the powder brush, tap off the excess product, always, and then brush your face, especially the more oily areas. A good setting powder will always make sure your makeup stays intact. Or another way, if you've been given a powder puff, make sure you tap away the excess product of that too, and then apply. You don't want to shine like a ghost after all that mehnat, right? For a cheaper alternative than mine, you can try the Maybelline New York's Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder or the translucent powder from Sugar. I will leave all the links down in the description. And finally guys, it's so important to remove your makeup. If you're gonna take one tip from this video, take this one. Always remove your makeup and double cleanse. What is double cleanse? The link to my detailed video is on the screen, check it out. But it basically means cleaning your face twice. Once like this, by removing your makeup using a good and gentle makeup remover. I'm using the one from Artistry, which is amazing and worth every penny, by the way. See the amount of stuff on my face? Ugh! Like, I can never go to bed with makeup. And honestly, once you remove your makeup, you have to use your regular cleanser because that will take out the remaining invisible dirt and unclog the clogged makeup from deep within the pores. Makeup really doesn't harm your skin as long as you take good care of it. So cleanse, double cleanse, especially at nights, always. And then continue the rest of your skincare routine. So guys, that's it from me. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below with whatever you want to tell me. Did you find it helpful? If yes, how helpful? And please share it with all the friends you like, especially with men. All the men who have been asking me this video, I want you to share it everywhere. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.